Hi viewers, welcome to my channel. This is Sridhar Reddy Elpeddi, Assistant Professor of Physics from Government Degree College for Women, Nalgonda. Welcome to my channel, Sri Quantum Academy, Feel the Physics at Glance. Today, in part of experimental physics, today I am going to discuss with you how to use vernier calipers and screw gauge. First of all, let us discuss how to use vernier calipers. Vernier calipers is useful to measure the radius of metal bob or breadth of the meter scale, like that, etc. So first, vernier calipers. See here, this is the vernier calipers. If you see this diagram, in vernier calipers there are two scales. One is main scale, which is not movable, fixed one. This is one. If you zoom it, this is the main scale. So you can see here also main scale, which is not movable. This is fixed one. On the main scale there is a small scale which is movable from here to there and there to here, like this. So this is movable scale. This movable scale, which is drawn here with a pink color chalk piece, that is called vernier scale. In vernier calipers, these two are important. On main scale, if you see here, on main scale you have centimeters, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, in that way. You have scale, you have meter scale, on that numbers are given 0, 1, 2, 3. In 0 to 1, again there are small lines. If you see these vernier calipers, from 0 to 1 there are 10 lines. 0 to 1 is 1 centimeter. In 1 centimeter there are 10 lines. So each line carries 1 by 10 centimeter, that means 0.1 centimeter. So the main scale division is 0.1 centimeters. So here, right here, one main scale division is equal to 0.1 centimeters. That is equal to 0.1 centimeter. Right. See here, on vernier, if you see this vernier, there are 10 lines. If you zoom it here, you have 10 lines. First leave this first line. After first line, again 10 lines are there. So number of vernier divisions, the divisions on vernier scale are 10. So number of vernier divisions are 10. That is equal to, if you divide them, 0.01 centimeter. This is the least count. So least count of these vernier calipers is 0.01 centimeter. That means using this vernier calipers, I can measure 0.01 centimeter distance as the least one. If the distance is less than this one, I cannot use this one. So the minimum, ante దీన్ని యూస్ చేసి మినిమం నేను ఎంత వాల్యూ మెజర్ చేస్తా అంటే 0.01. ఇంతకన్నా తక్కువ వాల్యూ మెజర్ చేస్తే నాకు రాంగ్ వస్తుంది, ఎర్రర్ వస్తుంది. సో దట్ ఈస్ కాల్డ్ లీస్ట్ కౌంట్. The least value which can be counted with the help of vernier calipers, right? In vernier calipers, how to use? See here, on vernier calipers there is a rotatable screw here. If you use this screw, using this screw you can move vernier calipers from here and there, like this. So with the help of this rotating screw, you can move your vernier calipers like this. Now see here, there are two gauze on the above, two edges like a teeth. These two also helpful to measure inner core of the tubes, inner radius. For outer radius you can use this one. These two both are helpful to measure the distances. This is for inner core, these two are for outer core. Let us see how to measure the radius of the metal bob. Bring it. So take this vernier calipers. First put that metal bob in between these two teeth. దగ్గరికి పెట్టు. With the help of this screw, move it. After placing in between these two, now with the help of this screw, there is a small screw now. If you tight this screw, now these movable vernier calipers also become fixed one. Actually it is movable. If you tight this one, then it also fixes. So after when these two teeth touches this vernier, this barb, now see here, if you see this vernier calipers, see here main scale is there and vernier scale is there. On main scale, see the vernier first line, which line it is crossed on the main scale. First vernier line crosses one of the line on the main scale. ఈ మెయిన్ స్కేల్లో ఈ ఫస్ట్ లైన్ ఏ నంబర్ని క్రాస్ అయిందో మనం చెక్ చేయాలి. సో ఇఫ్ యూ చెక్ ఇట్, no problem, already you have fixed here, so no need to put again. Okay, now see here, what is the main scale division? Main scale division means ఈ మెయిన్ స్కేల్లో ఈ ఫస్ట్ లైన్ ఎక్కడ క్రాస్ అయింది, ఫస్ట్ లైన్ ఎక్కడ క్రాస్ అయిందో చెక్ చేస్తే మనకు ఇక్కడ చూస్తే జూమ్ చే. సో యాక్చువల్లీ దిస్ ఈస్ 2, this is 2, this is 1.5, so it is already crossed 2. So main scale division is 2 centimeters. Next, vernier, how to find? Main scale reading is 2 centimeter. Next, after that, on vernier there are 10 lines. In 10 lines, one of the line exactly coincide with the main scale lines. So main scale లో ఉన్న లైన్స్ కి ఈ వెర్నియర్ లో ఉన్న లైన్స్ ఒకటి ఎగ్జాక్ట్ గా కోయిన్సైడ్ అవుతుంది. ఏది కోయిన్సైడ్ అయిందో చూసి చెప్పండి, అది మనకు వెర్నియర్ రీడింగ్ VC అవుతుంది. సో ఇప్పుడు ఈ 10 లైన్స్ లో ఒక లైన్ ఎగ్జాక్ట్ గా కోయిన్సైడ్ అవుతుంది, అది ఏదో చెక్ చేయాలి. థర్డ్ వన్, so vernier reading is number 3. Now next one is VC into LC. Now multiply VC with least count, that means 3 into 0.01, that is equal 0.03. Now MSR is A, VC into LC is B. So now total reading is A plus B, 2 plus 0.03, 2.03 centimeters. This is the diameter of the metal bob with the help of vernier calipers. So same way you can find out the breadth of this meter scale. Now take this vernier calipers and put it like this. Now move it. When it touches this meter scale, now stop and tight this rock and pinion screw, and now find out the main scale reading and number of vernier coincidence. So vernier calipers లో ఆ మెయిన్ వెర్నియర్ రీడింగ్లో మెయిన్ స్కేల్ని ఎక్కడ క్రాస్ అయింది అనేది మనకు మెయిన్ స్కేల్ రీడింగ్. 10 వెర్నియర్ రీడింగ్స్లో ఎక్కడ అది ఎగ్జాక్ట్ కోయిన్సైడ్ అవుతుంది అనేది వెర్నియర్ రీడింగ్. ఈ రెండింటిని మనం అక్కడ ట్యాబ్లెట్ చేసుకొని ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేస్తే మనకి బ్రెడ్త్ అనేది వస్తుంది. ఫర్ ఎవ్రీ మెజర్మెంట్ యూ హ్యావ్ టు టేక్ 2 to 3 రీడింగ్స్ టు మినిమైజ్ ద ఎర్రర్స్. Take 2 different positions, 2-3 different positions, and find out the breadth. Like here, first find out the breadth here and find out the breadth here, next find out the breadth here and tabulate the readings. Average of all these readings gives you exact breadth of the meter scale. In this way you can use